Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Today how many person attend to class? Oh, some very less. Difficult to understand our teaching way? Huh? Any question? No. No meaning I can ask question. Okay, now today we are going to lesson 4. Before start the lesson 4, we have to pronounce alphabets, then some Pali poem. Try to practice step by step. Huh? Okay, please pronounce all alphabet. First vowels. Except me, you can recite, no? Can, but don't know correct or wrong, no? Okay, please follow me. A, A, I, E, U, U, E, O, A, A, I, E, U, U, E, O. Okay? Okay. Ka, Kh, Ga, Gh, Ng, Ka, Kh, Ga, Gh, Ng, Cha, Ch, Ja, J, Ny. Ta, Th, Da, Dh, N, Da, Dh, Da, Dh, N. Okay? Ta, Th, Da, Dh, N. Ta, Th, Da, Dh, N. Pa, Ph, Ba, Bh, M. या र ल व स ह ल अं या र ल व स ह ल अं ओके ओके प्रतिरूप देश वासो च प्रतिरूप देशवासो प्रतिरूप देशवासो च प्रतिरूप देशवासो च पुब्बे च पुब्बे च खत पुण्यता खत पुण्यता खत पुण्यता प्रतिरूप देशवासो च पुब्बे च खत पुण्यता अत्त सम्मा पनिधिच अत्त सम्मा पनिधिच अत्त सम्मा पनिधिच एतं मंगल मुत्तमं एतं मंगल मुत्तमं ओके रिसाइट ओके बाहु सच्चंच सिप्पंच बाहु सच्चंच बाहु सच्चंच सिप्पंच विनयोच सुशिक्षितो सुशिक्षितो सुभाषिताच या वाचा सुभाषिताच या वाचा एतं मंगल मुत्तमं एतं मंगल मुत्तमं again नाम please try to understand again. Nouns we can divide 8 groups. This means 9 types of cases. According to Pali, we call patha ma. Patha ma. Patamaha meaning subject. Okay. Dutiya. Dutiya. Dutiya meaning object. Tatiya. Karana. But the two are we call by, with, through. Chatuthi. Chatuthi. 204. Panchami. Panchami. From. Actually the Patama meaning, the real meaning first. Tutiya meaning second. Tatiya meaning third. Chatuthi meaning fourth. Panchami meaning fifth. Chatti meaning sixth. Sattama meaning seven. Now according to Pali we call Eka, Dutiya, Tatiya, Chatutta, Panchama, Cha, Satta, Atta, Nava, Dasa. 1 to 8. But we have to call the first, second, third. This way, Pathama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Chatuthi, Panchami, Chatti, Sattami, Attami, Navami, Dasam. Navama, Dasam. We call, but there's a Patama meaning first. This meaning according to subject. Dutiya meaning object. Tatiya Karana meaning Tatiya Karana all are same. But we can see according to our practice, sometimes we can see action, sometimes cannot see action. The by, with, through, if you want to explain by, with, through some nouns have the by or with or through. At that time we have to use Tatiya or Karana. Pali. Example now, the with the boy. With the boy. Boy meaning Kumaro. The boy meaning Kumaro. The subject. Become subject, become object, Kumarang. Kumarang. Now the Tatiya meaning Karana, Kumaro, like this you cannot say. Kumarang cannot say. But we are using with the boy. At the time different suffix coming. Kumara plus different suffix coming. Next time we can understand. Understand? The Chatuthi. Chatuthi means receiver. Someone donate. We can receive something. We can receive food, cloth, everything we can receive from others. No. Example. I offer to Bhante. I offer to Bhante. To Bhante. Who is the receiver? Bhante receiver. Now Bhante to Bhante. At that time we have to use Chatuthi, dative. This is understand. We have to understand meaning. Or this one for Bhante. Who is the receiver? Bhante. For Bhante. At that time we have to use Chatuthi. Next one. I am from Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka meaning nouns. Okay. The Sri Lanka subject. A Sri Lanka object. With the Sri Lanka Tatiya or Karana. Third one. To the Sri Lanka. Something, some government, Sri Lanka, the Singapore government, something give to Sri Lanka. Who is the receiver? Sri Lanka. Now, from Sri Lanka, from the Sri Lanka. At that time we have to use Panchami, from. They have another suffix to our nouns. This is a basic way you have to practice, you have to understand. After that, the Chatti. This is PMC's remote control. This one belongs to PMCs. At that time, we have to use of, chatti. They have the same nouns. We have to add some suffix. Understand? I am in the land. I am in the kuti. The kuti meaning I am in the room. Room meaning nouns. The room, subject. Sometimes a room, object. With the room, tatiya or karana. From, with the by, with the room. And to the room, something offer to the room. Something we put to the room. Give to the room, to room. And from, this one take from the room. From the room. At the time, room, noun, we have to add some suffix. The English also like this, suffix. The by, with, through are suffix. To for suffix. Then from, suffix. Now, this one, the of the room. This one belongs to the room. Of time we have to use chatti. Then this one in the room. Put in the room. In the room meaning, in meaning, another suffix English. Same way, Pali also we have to, same noun we have to change. This is a point. Understand? Okay, question?
But what is it that every, what does alapana mean? Eight or no? It's not eight, right?
I mean,
Oh, no. Because what does alapana?
alapana meaning like we are address.
Oh, no. Meaning, because Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya.
Alapana address.
Why is it not called eight?
No. Because this is the another question. I can quite deep, but I try to explain by my English also no good. This case, according to her question, the part English have like this. I go to the village. This sentence, how do we English call? I go to the village. And given by the Buddha. Understand? Given by the Buddha. They have the different ways. Pali ko kattu karaka, kamma karaka, karana karaka, sampadana karaka, apadana karaka, sami karaka, adara karaka. This is if you are going to study, they have the 8, actually 8 no 9 here. With the Karan also together 9, all together 9. 9 we can divide to the 6 way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 way. We can divide 7 way. The 7 way means for the understand. Example now I go to the village with the man. I go to the village with the man. Okay? I go to the village with the man. We can ask how many vibhakti here? How many group? 4. I meaning I go to the village with the man. I meaning subject. Go meaning verb. To the village. To the village meaning object. Because according to English, to the actually the English have the to the village. I go village cannot say. I go village cannot say no. I go to the village. The English sometimes the to give the meaning the object also. To the village with the man, with somebody. At that time, tatiya. This is when I was study the Pali grammar, we have to divide this way. Whole sentence we have to write first. After we have to divide one by one. Subject, which one? Object, with one. And like this we have to divide. This meaning, according to Karaka Pali, who is the doer? Who is the doer? this sentence. All now we have to divide one by one. Alapana also belongs to subject. Alapana belongs to the this 8-1 belongs to the subject. That's why we give another name, Alapana address. Understand? Now the oh man, dear mother, dear father, this is the belongs to the subject. This is a meaning. Okay. The last time I already explained this thing also, no? This is akaranta nouns, subject. Because before I start the class, before I go to my fourth lesson, I have to review. Otherwise, maybe at the time can understand, no? Now, please recite manusso, manusa. Next one. Next one. Understand meaning? Understand? Okay, next one. Naro bhasati. What is the meaning? Matulo bhunjati. Meaning? Kasako gacchati. Manusso passati. Manusso passati. Plural. Nara bhasanti. Can understand meaning? Okay, Nara meaning? According to the Pali grammar, how we explain? Subject. The subject of this sentence. This means plural noun. Okay, bhasanti meaning? Speak. According to grammar, verb. Plural verb of present tense. Okay, present tense. No? Next one. Okay. Please translate. First pronounce. Kumara. Okay, one. Can I show somebody? Okay. Okay. Mito bhasati. Kasako manusa okay. Again. Okay. Okay. Gacchati. First, first. Good. This one. Okay. Accusative case. Huh? Dhammang, dhamme. How to pronounce? How to go? Good. Next one. Next one. Good. But try to practice, don't worry. But Odane can practice, huh? Because otherwise maybe later can understand, because they are, we cannot divide rice, no? The singular rice, plural rice, we cannot, no? Rice and fatty and sugar, like this thing we cannot divide, no? Okay. Now already we practice, huh? Buddho dhammang bhasati. Okay, please wait. What is the Buddho? Subject of this sentence. Dhammang bhasati. Verb. Okay, no? Can understand meaning. The Buddha speaks the Dhamma. Kumaro odanang bhunjati. Kasako viharang gacchati. Potto patang passati.
Vihara, based on the text, should it be a monastery, not a monastery?
The English, I don't know English. How to put to the vihara or to the monastery or the monastery?
Just basically on the
Huh?
ram or under
Usually according to the object, if we are calling the one, we can say the the many at that time plural. But the monastery meaning the quite big. The inside, the big one, we cannot say the one thing inside. But the a monastery also we can say, I go to a monastery. But here the monastery also can.
But in English,
Mm.
when we say the farmer goes to the monastery,
Mm.
it means one thing. The farmer goes to a monastery, the meaning is slightly different.
Mm.
It means the farmer goes to one monastery, doesn't go to many.
Mm.
So in Pali, is there an equivalent
Mm.
of saying, expressing the idea behind the farmer goes to the monastery versus the farmer goes to a monastery?
But usually accusative we can use a monastery also.
But in Pali, is there different ways of writing to express the two different meanings?
Usually we are going to the object, the singular. If usually we use the but we can use, but the no Pali different.
No Pali.
No different in the Pali.
Is it maybe in Pali it means kasako eko viharam gachati?
No, no, this Kassako ekang viharang gacchati. This is a different one. This is the farmer go to the one of the monastery.
A monastery means one
One of the monastery at that time. But this is a normal sentence. We can use viharang, the monastery also can, a monastery also can. But Pali no different meaning.
Patham also say
Patang.
bowl.
Yeah,
Bowl.
that's why. How to say? The last time I told the meaning the singular, plural meaning. But the ball also we call one, no? No, this is English problem, not the Pali problem. Because I cannot change the English because they not use like this way. English according to English way this way, but Pali very clear. Putto pattam pasati. The son seek only one patta, one ball. Yeah, a ball okay, a ball correct. Yeah, see, the son sees a ball also can. The ball also can, but if you want to see the different, this is a subject, this is an object. You want to see the different, you want to see separately. At that time, you can use the sun sees a ball. It's okay, no problem. Understand? Okay. Kumara Buddhe Vandanti. The boy worship the Buddhas. Now, not only one Buddha, many Buddha. If you are going to the Vihara, so many Buddha statue, no? He also have. A few have, no? Okay. Nara Putte Rakhanti. Understand? Understand? Matula Viharang Agachanti.
Kanti. For Nara Putte Rakanti, if you want to express that men protect their son, is it written this way or is there another way of writing? I protect my father, I protect my uncle. Is there another way of saying?
Have another way have. Because Nara Putte Rakhanti, the men protect the son. Nara Attano Putte Rakhanti, the men protect their sons. They have different way, maybe later, not hurry. Okay. Kassa, yes? Agachanti.
Monastery, right? Not monastery, not one, in many, right?
Yeah, but the viharang. The Pali we use only viharang here. If you use the vihare, at the monasteries. Can. Example now, usually now the English we call the monastery, no? No more words for the give that. But in Sri Lanka we use the kuti. Kuti meaning the biggest meditation kuti. Now the kuti. Now I am going to see the kutis. Is it not only one kuti? So many kutis. If we could take the one monastery inside, so many kuti. But only if you go to one monastery, can say vihara. But matula vihare agachanti. The uncles come to the monasteries. We also can. This is also. Kassaka patte haranti. Kassaka, plural. Haranti, plural. Patte. Actually, not only one farmer. Many farmers, they bring many balls. This means all bhikkhus, the many bhikkhus come to Pindapata. At that time, many farmers, they collect the bhikkhus board. Now this one. Naro, Nara, Narang, Nare. Buddho, Buddha, Buddhan, Buddhe. Putto, Putta, Puttang, Putte. Kassako, Kassaka, Kassakang, Kassake. Manusso, Manusa, Manusang, Manusse. Matulo, Matula, Matulang, Matule. Kumaro, Kumara, Kumarang, Kumare. Mitto, Mitta, Mittang, Mitte. This is a subject and object. Now we are going to next one. By with through. At that time, Naro, Nara, Narang, Nare become next one. I not a teacher. Okay. Dhammo, Dhamma, Dhammang, Dhamme. Viharo, Vihara, Viharang, Vihare. Putto, Putta, Puttang. Sorry. Patto, Patta, Pattang, Patte. Odano, Odana, Odanang, Odane. Can practice like this way. Brahmano, Brahmana, Brahmanang, Brahmane. Vanijo, Vanija, Vanijang, Vanije. Bhopalo, Bhopala, Bhopalang, Bhopale. Bhatto, Bhatta, Bhattang, Bhatte. Gamo, Gama, Gamang, Game. Okay? Now practice. Translate into English. Okay, now I can ask one by one. Can? No, try. Okay, now. Kumaro mitte bhasati. I start from Bhante, from Bhikkhu side. Okay, please explain what's the meaning Kumaro. The boy. Mitte. Next one. Mitte. Plural. Friends. This means plural meaning object. The subject. Subject. Object. Bhasati. Speak. Bhasati speaks. Okay, together join. Meaning? Okay, correct? Okay. Next. Okay, next. 3 person together can make. Okay, first. Can? What is the meaning Manusa? Human beings, plural. Okay. Odanang. Rice. Bunjanti. Eat. But Punjanti plural. Punjan, eat. But the Pali we can say clearly this is a singular, this is a plural. English, eat. But only the eats can say the singular. After that, eat. I also eat, we also eat, you also eat. But Pali different, na? Now the Manusa Odanang Bunjanti. Human beings eat rice or cook rice. Okay. Good. Next one. Next 3 person. Putto. Okay, one by Putto meaning the son. Patte. Ball. Passati. Okay. Okay. Okay, last group. Last line. Kasaka. Plural. Viharang. Gachanti. Go. Uh, okay, this middle. Matula. Matula plural. Buddhang. Ah. But yesterday Sunday, yesterday Monday, before yesterday Sunday. 2 days no practice. Okay, Matula Buddhang Vandanti. Matula, the uncles worship. Okay. Okay, this corner. Okay, Dhammo. Nare. Rakhati. Meaning? Okay. Mitta Viharang. Okay. 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 Please listen to me. The men, which, that's why you have to, before translate, you try to divide what is the subject, what is the object, what is the verb. Then very easy. The men meaning Nara, subject. The monasteries, Vihare, good. See, Pasanti. Why Pasanti? How you know plural? Oh, not the monasteries. Why? Huh? Yeah, but my meaning of see, we say see. See meaning verb. Verb follow the men or the monasteries? Huh? See, we say the men see the monasteries. Okay? The men see the monasteries. Okay? Now we say see meaning verb. This verb follow the men or the monasteries. This means subject or object follow? Subject. I think kindergarten class. Okay. The farmer worships the Dhamma. Okay, now what is the object? Good. What is the subject? The farmer. What is the verb? Worship. Okay. Now translate to Pali. Good. Kassako dhammang vandati. Now understand the way. Understand the way. This way you have try to before translate. You have try to understand the way how to translate. How we divide the sentence. Then very easy. No need to worry because I already all grammar way I already explained, already taught. Nothing to think anything. Only just pay attention, read, subject, object, verb. You try to divide, then add the Pali meaning. It's only this thing, huh? Okay, now maybe I will give the homeworks. You must do like this way. Homeworks. Okay? Kassako dhammang vandati. Next one. The friends come to the monastery. Okay. Good. The boy carries the balls. Okay. The son eats the rice. Or the nang or bhattang, both can use. Huh? You are beginner because of that you can use both. At that time, easy to memorize. Easy to take to your heart. Okay. The uncles speak to the friend. Matula mitang bha santi. The Buddha protects the boys. Okay. Okay. Remember, make your own sentences. 5, I told each person have to make 5 sentences. Already? Forget? Oh. Or, no. Oh, I told. No. 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 Oh. Already? Okay, please recite. Good. Ratang. Okay, next one. Okay. 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 First sentence we have to edit and later I will explain now. But my question on sentence. On sentence meaning I told you add your name. Remember? I told you add your name, then build the sentence. Or maybe you cannot add your name. You can use the another's name also. Example now, Bhante. Bhante aharang bhunjeti. Bhante gamang gaccheti. Bhante Dhammang Deseti. Bhante Dhammang Sunati. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. Give up. The homework already paper passed to everybody? Why they did? Okay. Now did you get like this paper, everybody? Everybody? Don't have some extra have? Please bring the old papers. Where? I don't know, outside. On the table? Please on the table. Please offer to the Bantes also. Otherwise, Bante say, oh, we didn't receive the thing because we cannot do homeworks. All this. Enough? I think not enough somewhere. Okay. Okay, now this is homework because the no exam. You write your name. Okay. No exam. Because exam meaning without any book, no? I pass this one, bring to your home. Then you can read, you can check your old book, can write, no? Huh? Next day, I will collect. Huh? Yeah, Friday I will collect all papers. And then I will mark. Then you have to, like this, you have to divide. Buddho Dhammang Bhasati. Subject, object, verb. Then meaning. Okay? Subject, object, verb, then meaning. Brahmana Odanang Bunjanti. Subject, object, verb, then write the meaning. Understand? This way 20, this side. Other side 20. This one translate into Pali. The men go to the monastery. Subject, object, verb. Divide first, then translate to English. Divide meaning no need to again write. You take your pen or pencil, divide. Here subject, object, enough, like this. Yeah, only this, only mark. Yeah. Very easy homework. Within the few minutes you can do. Because all last sentences I already explained. No, this mark meaning, here, example, okay. Buddho Dhammang Bhasati. Like this, first in Buddho Dhammang Bhasati. You divide, you mark like this way. Then under the Buddho subject, and better write Patama also. This one we have to practice, no? Patama means subject. Every day I cannot say subject object because I have to use next time Patama Dutiya. That I not use the subject object. Why? Now we are going to not the English class, Pali class. And then we have to use Pali verbs. Huh? Okay. Then Dhamma meaning Dutiya. But another thing also have. Can add? Now the subject singular. Subject singular. Patama eka vachana. Singular means eka vachana. Um, Akyat also can, Kiri also can. Can. Akyat also can, Kiri also can. I think can. How? The no need to follow in the bracket. Before the here the in front of here also can use. No pay. Okay. Anyway, try to write and because the yeah, I think the if you know the English, no need to write English, no? You can use the Pali. Okay? First sentence you can use English Pali, try to write. After that, no need English, subject, object, verb, no need to write English, by English. Try to use Pali. Patama, ekavachana, dutiya, ekavachana, kiriya. Akyat also can, kiri also can. Okay? Only, but actually the same thing we have to write. All our sentences same. Subject, object, only difference sometimes singular or plural. This meaning ekavachana or bahuvachana. Another one bahuvachana. Okay, this is bahuvachana. Plural meaning bahuvachana. Yes, okay. Bigger letters. Okay. Ekavachana. Understand, no? No, but the someone say that too small, cannot they read. That's why ekavachana, bahuvachana, pathama, dutiya. This 4 I add to the sentence. Ekavachana here, ekavachana again here. Pathama here, dutiya here. Bahuvachana don't have here. Oh. Kiriya. Okay? But don't forget, and if you cannot do, anyway, please attend to class. Huh? If you cannot do, don't worry. I not punish, no, I not do anything. I again try to teach. Okay? If cannot, please attend to class. Huh? Yeah, don't run away. don't worry. Huh? Okay? Okay? Yeah. That's only different. Yes, only different singular plural. Yes. Okay. Any question? Understand? If you more clear, then I can go to the next our lesson. Okay? Okay? Agree? Okay. Okay. Better here you try to add Tatya Karana, Pali Tatya Karana, instrumental case, by, with or through. What a China තේරෙන්නේ චීන භාෂාව. කොච්චික. Okay. Little bit our nouns become bigger. The case ending "an" is added to the normal base to form the. Now you can understand English. No need to explain. The case ending the "a he" plural or "a b" plural. Two way have. Okay, now. also can add. Through also add, no? Okay. Now you can see Tatiya or Karana. Now we are going to explain this thing. Instrumental masculine akaranda nouns end of with a. Now according to the ekavachana, bahuvachana, singular, plural. Under the singular, nara plus ena. Ena meaning? What does it mean ena? Suffix. Ena meaning suffix. Before we use nara plus o. O meaning suffix. Become naro. Nara plus a. A meaning suffix. Become nara. Nara plus ang. Become narang. Ang meaning suffix. Nara plus a. After it become nare. A meaning suffix. Same way, nara plus en. En meaning suffix. Become narena. Narena meaning with the man or by the man, through the man. Okay, please write down this, only this thing. Understand? Understand? Okay. Understand about singular? Okay. Now the plural side, they have two suffix, ahi and ab. Ahi and ab, two suffix have. Nara plus ahi become narehi. Nara plus ab become narebi. Narehi meaning with the men, by the men. Narebi also with the men, by the men. Yes? Yes, same. No, one of them. One of two. Among of the two. Anyone you can use. Yeah, either one. Because the two way we can see in the sutta. Yeah, same meaning. Okay, understood? Okay. Now you have to practice three together. Naro, nara, narang, nare, narena, narebhi, narebhi. Maybe after all, together they explain in your book, New Pali Course book, page number 5, 5. Explain. Naro, Nara, Narang, Nare, Narena, Narehi, Narebi, Naraya, Narasa, Naranang, Nara, Nara, Naramha, Narasma, Narehi, Narebi, Narasa, Naranang, Nare, Narami, Narasming, Naresu, He, Nara, Nara, Nara. Now we are going step by step. Don't worry. Yeah? Now. That's why. Okay. Some special note. Sadding Saha. The two Pali words have Sadding Saha. Saha. The Sadding meaning, Saha meaning with. Now Tisaranena Saha. Tisaranena Sadding.
Auntie, why is it pronounced as Saha?
This is a Myanmar Saha, but Saha. But Saha, the open but not long. Saha. Saha, no Saha. Okay. But this two also give the same meaning with. Now, Tisaranena Saddhi. Usually Sri Lanka use Tisaranena Saddhin Pancha Silang Dhammang Yachami. Tisaranena Saddhin Pancha Silang Dhammang Yachami. We request five precept with the 3 triple gems. With meaning Saddhin or Saha. But this one later can understand. Now, okay, Nara. Nara plus Ena, Narena. Nara plus Ebi, Narebi. Nara plus Ehi, Narehi. They can change. Narehi, Narebio, Narebi, Nare. Both can each other change. No problem. Okay, please recite. Narena. Understand meaning? But meaning understand English. But try to according to the meaning how add the Pali words. This is the more important. We know the meaning. English we can say no, understand. But you know the English. Try to add the real the meaningful Pali words. Example that by the man. By the man you have to Narayana. You have to add Narayana. By the ball. By the ball. Ball. By the ball. Ball meaning? Patta. By the ball? You add only Patta Ena. Become Pattena. By the village. By the village. Village meaning? Gama. By the? By meaning? Ena. Gama ena gamena. Understand? Understand? By the Dhamma. By the Dhamma. By the Buddha. buddhena. Okay, next one. Bhupala ena bhupalena. Bhupala ebi bhupalebi. Can? We're going slowly by slowly, yeah? Don't worry. Yeah? Okay, understand? Bhopalena, Bhopalebi, Bhopalehi. Can, both can, same meaning. Everywhere, everywhere. Okay, next one. Chore, chorena, cho, chorehi. Chora meaning thief, thief. Huh? Okay, next one. Dasena, dasena. Das ena, dasena. Das ebi, dasebi. Das ehi, dasehi. Dasena meaning the slave. Dasebi, dasehi by the plural. Okay, write down. This is a new 2 words. New nouns. Chora, das. You also try to do all are nouns. Now we practiced before many nouns, no? All are nouns. You try to do this way. Example, manus plus en, manusena. Manus plus ebi, manusebi. Manus plus ehi, manusehi. Like this, all are nouns. You try to do by yourself. But your free time, take the new paper, write. Try to practice. It's good, more benefit for you, not for me. Huh? Okay. Mm. Okay. Everybody okay? Mm. Next. Okay. සීහ ඒන සීහේන Singapore no? Singapore, Singapore. Siha meaning lion. Siha. Siha. Huh? Siha ena sihena. Siha ebi sihebi. Siha ehi sihehi. Assa ena assena. Assa ebi assebi. Assa ehi assehi. Assa meaning horse. New? Okay, write down. Okay. Okay. Next one. Now we are use short way. Ratha. Ratha meaning vehicle or chariot. Ratha, Ratena, Ratehi, and Rate B also can, but not enough space to do. That's why we put only one word. You have to add by yourself. You add Ratehi, Rate B. Next one, Sakata. Sakata meaning cart. Sakatena, Sakatehi. New words. Next one, disciple. Savaka. Savakena, Savakehi. Savakehi. Next one, samana. Samanena, Samanehi, Samanebi. Monk. Yachaka. Yachakena, Yachakehi, Yachakebi. Beggar. Singal. Singalena, Singalehi, Singalebi. Singal, 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 Sigal, Sigal, Sigal. Sri Lanka we go Singal, that's why. But almost the Pali words, the language, Sri Lankan alphabet, like now the Savaka, Savaka, Samana, Samana, Yachaka, Yachaka, Rata, Rata. Sakata little bit different. Singala, Singala. Sinhala language. Sinhala. Sinhalese. Singha, lion. Singha meaning lion. Lion meaning blood. Blood generation from the lion. That's why we call Singhala. We are the Sri Lankan people, the blood generation coming from the lion. You know this story? Oh. No time to explain. Already 9 o'clock. When our Lord Buddha passed away, at same day, the one of the prince came to Sri Lanka. His name Vijaya. Vijaya's father, lion. Yeah, one of the queen, she wanted to through the one forest with the follower. At that time, the one lion, all followers, yeah, then the because of the lion, all our followers run away. Then queen stay there. Then the lions bring the queen to his place. Because of the lion, queen give the two baby, one of the boy, one of the daughter. The boy's name Singha Bahu. The daughter's name Singha Sivali. And but queen is there, her has the royal family. After that, this two son, the two children, after become elder, then they each other can talk their language, because mother, they all explain to them. Then the father always, they keep hide in the cave, always close with the very heavy stone the door, close, go away to bring some food for them. After many years, after the became elder, then the both of children, they thought, we cannot living with the lion, we have to go away. They asked from mother. Mother also agree. But then after father, this lion went to the forest, find the food. At that moment, the two children together, they opened door. After that, they run away to the village. Then the lion also coming. Now, after that, before approach to the lion, to the children, the son, he used the arrow and bow and arrow. Then father killed. Lion, he killed father. After that, the Singha Bahu, Singha Sivil, each other married. Then he become the king because their mothers, the royal family, no, become the king, and they give the I think the few babies. One of the Vijaya, one of the son Vijaya. He's his behavior very very bad. Because of the reason, the father angry with him because he always doing the bad thing. Then father he has some 30 followers, 30 followers. Then together they arrange one of the ship. They go away. They father send to the another place. Then slowly they come to Sri Lanka. They came to Sri Lanka. Then our Lord Buddha's passed away. The same day this group came to Sri Lanka. Then from that place, before some of the people living in Sri Lanka, but still this generation also have, but they now they are hunter life. In Sri Lanka have hunter life. But now there is wearing. Before not wearing, only cover some place only. They always killing the animal. They barbecue. No? They eat barbecue like this. They eat. All this time also they still doing. After that, because of the king of Vijaya, they established the new generation. This is that's why Singha the name coming. Singha lion. Lion meaning blood. Singha meaning lion. But okay. Now this thing understand, no? Write down already. The new words, huh? Sigala. I think one more have, no? One more have, but not enough time. Enough, no, today? Enough, no? Enough. Now this same way you have to practice. Before we got the many nouns, no? Before we practice many nouns. All are nouns. You try to practice the same way. Now example, rata, no? This one also, rato, rata, ratang, rate, raten, ratebi, ratehi. Good. Sakata, sakato, sakata, sakatang, sakate, sakaten, sakatebi, sakatehi. Savaka, savako, savaka, savakang, savake, savaken, savakebi, savakehi. Very easy. Samano, samana, samanang, samane, samane, samanebi, samanehi. Yachako, yachaka, yachakang, yachake, yachakena, yachakebi, yachakehi. Sigalo, sigala, sigalang, sigale, sigalen, sigalebi, sigalehi. Okay? Try. Amabanti. Try. Now the homeworks also not very deep, very simple way, very very simple. Try to do. Then this one more important. Try to practice by with through. This one more important. Because if you successful this thing, I can go next chapter. Otherwise, I cannot go. Try to practice. Okay, we are sharing marriage. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanas paccayo hotu. මම පුඤ්ඤ භාගං සබ්බ සත්තානං භාජේමි තේ සබ්බේ මේ සමං පුඤ්ඤ භාගං ලබන්තු සාදු සාදු සාදු